Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday, the 6th of August. Looking at euro dollar, which has rallied a little bit in the last day or so, sort of pulled higher. Now testing once more this, well, it was 1908 was last week's high. So I had a go yesterday, just backed off and actually has broken out on an initial basis and then pulled back. Now this is interesting because we're still looking at how the euro moves and how there is, what I've been doing here is drawing in successively steeper uptrends on this run higher. So that's obviously very interesting in the fact that the market is still very strong. You can see that through momentum indicators anyway. RSI still in the 70s, MACD lines and stochastics all strong. But there will come at some stage a corrective move, a profit-taking move, I think, whereby the dollar just manages to claw back some of its losses, and then likelihood is that that will be used as another chance to sell the dollar, and subsequently a correction move on euro dollar would be a chance to buy. However, how the timing of that plays out is going to be difficult to determine. You see here on the market trying to break out again, not managing to do that, but yet not seeing any corrective signals. You'd be looking out for divergences. There is a slight air of divergence on euro dollar now, possibly on the RSI. The hourly chart, again, nothing too decisive, actually more ranging on the hourly chart between the 17 figure mark and I suppose I can raise that resistance now to 1915, but holding that sort of configuration whereby the market is effectively just ranging. And I think it will be still maintaining that whilst it's above 18 big figure. 18 big figure is a pivot line I've put in here. It's a bit of a reaction high and then subsequently came back, broke through it, and then subsequently on the move back was struggling to get above it, and then since breaking above it has used it as a basis of support. So it is a near-term pivot. And holding above that, I think you maintain the outlook that this one is still possibly pushing higher. But obviously what we now have is this uptrend that I've drawn in over the past two and a half weeks is sort of climbing close towards that 118 big figure mark, and it actually comes above it tomorrow. So it's obviously a trend line that's the first trend line to watch out for. If that starts to breach, then you start to question whether this is going to continue higher or whether this turns into consolidation. Consolidation could end up being a top pattern. So we need to be a little bit cautious about euro moving higher from here. But obviously it's had another go to the upside today. It's failed, fallen over a bit, but nothing too decisive. A little bit in no man's land at the moment, but something certainly to keep an eye on. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.